Welcome to Success Breath with Benson Adema. Topic: Leap from working class to rich, using the paradigm of mechanical advantage in physics. Ever wondered why some people work 12 hours a day and barely make ends meet, while others seem to work less but earn way more? The secret isn't magic, it's something you learned in school physics. But probably forgot. It's called mechanical advantage. And today I'm going to show you how it's the hidden formula for going from working class to rich. In physics, mechanical advantage simply means using a machine to multiply your effort so you get more output for less input. Think of a lever. If you try to lift a heavy rock with your bare hands, it's exhausting. That's the working class way. But if you place a long stick under the rock with a fulcrum in the right spot, suddenly, you can lift it with one hand. Same you, same rock, just a smarter setup. The formula is simple. MA equals sine load effort. The higher the mechanical advantage, the less effort you need for the same result. Most people are stuck in what I call low MA mode. They trade time for money, they work hard. 8 hours in, 8 hours paid. Stop working, the money stops. This is like lifting the rock with your bare hands every single day. Lots of sweat, little movement, and here's the painful truth. If your income only comes from your direct effort, you can't truly scale to wealth. There's a ceiling. The rich understand mechanical advantage, but instead of levers and pulleys, they use leverage in life and business. Here are the 5 biggest wealth levers. 1. People leverage. They build teams. One person's effort is multiplied by 10, 50, or 100 others. 1. Money leverage. Their capital works for them. Investments, businesses, assets, even while they sleep. 1. Knowledge leverage. They master skills and insights that let them do what millions can't. Strategy, negotiation, high-level problem solving. 1. Technology leverage. They use tools, software, and the internet to reach millions without more personal effort. 1. Network leverage. They connect with people who can open doors that years of grinding could never unlock. These are the machines of wealth. The rich don't just push harder. They find the right lever and push smarter. So, what does the leap from working class to rich look like? It's moving from effort per hour. Systems. Working class mindset. I earn $10 for every hour I work. Rich mindset. I own a system that earns $1 from 10,000 people every day. One is direct force. The other is multiplied force. This is what Archimedes meant when he said, "Give me a lever long enough and a place to stand, and I will move the world." So the real question is, 1. What are you doing right now that depends only on your sweat and hours? 1. Which lever, people, money, knowledge, tech, or network, can you add to multiply your results? 1. How can you build systems so your output continues even when you're not there? Answer these honestly and you're halfway to your first real leap. Here's your challenge. This week, pick one lever and start building it. Hire or delegate. Learn a high-value skill. Automate one process. Reach out to someone who can connect you to bigger opportunities. Because once you start working with leverage instead of only effort, you're no longer in the working class race. You're in the wealth game. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still lifting the rock with their bare hands. Let's help them find their lever. Until I come your way again, Benson Adema remains your in-house motivational speaker and author.